I decided to plant vegetable. The first thing I made is I prepared the soil, and my soil is very clay, so I decided to use dry leaves as layer by layer. So using dry leaves and dry straw, the my clay very clay soil will be prevent for to compacted, because dry leaves will help. So I wait about a week so to make all dry leaves and straw will be break down. So and I will decide what plant I will plant it in this area. So and before I prepare the soil, I already prepared the organic fertilizer using uh, dry weeds, the weeds, because weeds will absorbing all nutrients, different kinds of nutrients in from the soil. So the mineral will go through the body of the weeds or stem. So I will break down using few amounts of water, and you can use it as a 30% ratio of water after weeks. So after this idea is very nice and very organic. So this video we will see the output of this trial. So soon as possible, if God permitted, we'll upload the updates of these experiments using dry weeds.